Meaning of evanescent.
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 Evanescent. The term evanescent refers to something that is temporary, fleeting, or quickly vanishing. It may describe a momentary experience, emotion, or sensation that disappears soon after it appears. Evanescent phenomena are often associated with beauty or elegance, and they can be observed in nature, art, or music. Examples of evanescent things include morning mist, the fading scent of flowers, and the melodic notes of a bird's song. Despite their short-lived nature, evanescent experiences can evoke profound emotions and inspire creativity and appreciation for the transitory beauty of life.